Ulta has a new sample kit available. It's the His Fragrance Library Kit with 6 fragrance samples for his scent collection. Now, it does cost $42.50. It has a $137 value. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. Enjoy the different scents and the Ulta Beauty finds his fragrance library this year with the Ultra Minis sampler that everyone loves. So the kit will include a Carolina Herrera Bad Boy Eau de Toilette, 0.27 ounces, Giorgio Armani Acqua di Giacomo, 0.16 ounces, Jean-Paul Gaultier La Main Le Parfum et de Parfum Intense, 0.24 ounces, Paco Rabanne Phantom Eau de Toilette, 0.17 ounce, Ralph Lauren Ralph's Club Eau de Parfum, 0.24 ounces, and Yves Saint Laurent Y Eau de Parfum, 0.25 ounces. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about getting. I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Bye.